there. Welcome back to our channel. This is a continuation of my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, you can click the link in the description below. After I fixed the power problem of this PC, it took me almost 3 minutes to completely boot up. And I found this PC to be so slow. So I need to optimize this to satisfy my client. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize this computer. I'm just showing you how long will it take to boot up. This is real time. You can jump to 305 to skip the entire booting process. Now let's proceed. Let's unpin the programs in the taskbar. I will not touch the desktop because this PC is not mine. You should limit the number of shortcuts on your desktop because every shortcut on desktop consumes 20 kilobytes of your RAM. Next, we will go to Control Panel and disable Windows Update. We don't need it anymore because Windows 7 is no longer supported by Microsoft. Select Never Check for Updates and deselect all checkboxes below. And then we will disable Windows Firewall. Then we will go to Action Center and turn off the pop-up messages. Deselect all checkboxes. Next, we will go to User Account Control Settings and scroll it down to Never Notify. And then we will go to Power Options and select High Performance. Click on Change Plan Settings. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings and look for Processor Power Management. and set the minimum and maximum processor state to 100%. Now let's uninstall unnecessary programs of this PC. I think this Apple software is not necessary, so let's remove this one. We don't need this Chromium because we have Google Chrome here. And also this Mozilla Firefox. We need only one browser, so let's remove this. That's all for unnecessary software removal. Now let's clean the recycle bin. Right-click on it. Then click on Empty Recycle Bin. We are now deleting 3.70 gigabytes of trash. To avoid your recycle bin to be full, just right-click on it, then Properties and select Don't Move Files to the recycle bin. Then click Apply and OK. Our next step is to delete temporary files. Click Start and type %temp%, then hit Enter. You will see a bunch of temporary files. Let's delete them to increase the performance of your PC. Just select all and hit Shift+Delete to remove them permanently. We are now deleting 3.76 gigabytes of temporary files. Let's clean the Downloads folder as well. Again, select all and hit Shift+Delete to remove them permanently. We are now deleting 2.12 gigabytes of files in the Downloads folder. Now, let's speed up Windows startup. To do that, click Start and type msconfig, then hit Enter. In the General tab, select Selective Startup. Then in the Boot tab, set 5 seconds in the timeout. Then in the Services tab, select Hide all Microsoft services, then uncheck all services except your antivirus. Then in the Startup tab, uncheck all programs except your antivirus. After that, click Apply and then OK. Next, we need to adjust visual effects and virtual memory. To do that, right-click on My Computer and click Properties, then Advanced Settings. On the System Settings, go to Advanced tab and under Performance, click on Settings. Select Adjust for best performance to uncheck all checkboxes. Just select a few visual effects as you need. Then click Apply. On the Performance Options window, go to Advanced. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change. As you can see, the currently allocated paging file size is smaller than recommended. Let's change that and set the recommended file size. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Then select Custom Size. Enter the recommended file size in the Initial Size text box. Then the maximum size. You can enter a little bit higher value than recommended size on the maximum size text box. Then click on Set and then OK. Just click Restart later. You can restart after the configuration is done. Next step is to delete internet cache files. Open your browser. Then go to Settings. Click on History, then Clear Browsing Data. Go to Advanced tab and in the time range, select All Time and select all checkboxes. And then click on Clear Data. It will take for a while, so I will do some magic here. I will remove this watermark. This watermark appeared here because this OS needs to be activated. But I will not show you how I will do it. There you go. No more watermark. Next, we will remove broken registry keys using CCleaner. But CCleaner found some issues here. Let's fix this first before we proceed. There are 12,260 trackers and 127.6 megabytes of junk files. So, let's make it better. Okay, it's done. This PC is feeling better right now. Now let's move to Custom Clean. We have nothing to do here because we are done cleaning internet cache files, recycle bin and temporary files. But let's try to check. As you can see, it's already clean. Now let's proceed to Registry Cleaner. Let's scan for issues. We have found registry issues, so we will fix them. We fixed 83 issues. Let's try to scan again. Okay, no issues were found. Then we will remove browser plugins. All done. Let's close CCleaner now. Next, we will open our optimizer. In the Universal tab, just select the functions that you want to speed up your PC. Then on the Cleaner tab, just check Select All, then click the Clean button. Then on the Startup tab, remove the programs that you don't want to run on startup. And then on the Registry tab, you fix common registry issues. You can enable them all or just select a few of them. In my case, I will not enable Windows Firewall because I already disabled it in the control panel. Go back to the Universal tab and click the Restart button to apply changes. After restarting, let's disable some unnecessary Windows features. Just go to the Control panel, Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. The Windows features take a while to load, so I have to do something else. I have an easy service optimizer here. You can tweak your services here in just few clicks. You can select Safe, with little adjustments, Tweaked, for medium settings, and Extreme, for high performance settings, or just select Default to restore to normal settings. Since this is not my computer, so I will not use it. I will just disable a few services that can slow down the computer. We will go to Start and type Services, then hit Enter. We will disable the Background Intelligence Transfer service. Then Google Update service. Windows Activation Technologies service. Windows Firewall. And Windows Update. The Windows features are already loaded, so let's disable some of them. We don't need Internet Explorer because we have Google Chrome, so let's uncheck it. We don't need media features like DVD Maker, Media Center, and Media Player. You can disable more features that you don't need to make Windows lighter. Click OK, and restart your PC to apply changes. So we're done. Those are the things that you need to do to optimize your computer. If you like the video, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.